Parents, did you know that under the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, IDEA, you have the legal right to request an IEP meeting whenever needed? According to federal law, IDEA states parents of a child with a disability have the right to request an IEP meeting at any time. But when should you? If your child isn't meeting their IEP goals, you have the right to call a meeting to discuss changes and ensure they get the right support. If your child has a new diagnosis, behavior changes, or their learning needs have shifted, you can call an IEP meeting to update their support plan. If you feel the school isn't following the agreed-upon IEP, you have every right to call a meeting to address the issue. IEP meetings are your right. If any of these situations sound familiar, don't wait. Request a meeting. Follow DIY Student Advocate for more tips on navigating special education. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.